Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So I went to the store first thing to test out a deal, and this deal is really great. If you can do it exactly how I'm going to describe it, you can get a 6-pack of paper towel for $1.20 with this paper booster of spend 20, get back 5. These have been randomly printing whenever you do a purchase over at Walgreens. So if you might have one of these and you've been doing the Garnier deal and you can line this up just so, this is a deal to do because it's quite fantastic. So I'm going to explain it, and we're going to look at the math 2 different ways, using $8 in register rewards and then just paying it out of pocket. It'll be $3 instead of the $1.20. This specific booster has been printing in the last 2 weeks, I think, for shoppers. It's a spend 20, get back 5 on specifically Walgreens brand products. That is the most important thing. So it's like body wash, medical stuff. And this morning I wanted to test it out on paper products. And yes, it is in fact working. So that's what makes this deal so fantastic. So if you might have received one of these, I would definitely make it happen. Mine actually expiring on the 15th, which is Saturday. So it was a use it or lose it. And I was definitely using this one. I found it in the store yesterday and I was like, oh my God, this is my triple birthday finding this guy. So I'm just going to talk you through what I specifically did this morning. And I'm actually going to show you the receipts as well in this video. So what I wanted to do was to grab 5 of the Walgreens brand paper products. This is a 6 count of these paper towels on a buy one, get one 50% off. And yes, you can mix and match the paper towel and the toilet paper. I'll show you here in a slide. I went all with a paper towel because I have a lot of pets and we do a lot of cleaning in this house. And these are 6 counts. They're not the chintzy little 4 counts by Scott. It's 6 sizable rolls. So I'm like, yes, I think so. Definitely look for the items that are tagged because some of these paper products are 2 for $10. They're not buy one, get one 50% off. So you really have to pay attention for the tagging. So just to show you my gorgeous cart, it's 5 of these paper products. So 5 of them, and ask the cashier to scan at least 2 of them for you because I'm going to explain this here in a second. So what I did was 5 of them at checkout, got the cashier to scan my booster, and then I wanted to use 2 of the Garnier register rewards that we have been receiving. Now these are manufacturer register rewards, so it's going to dip my balance down to $12, but they're manufacturer coupons, so it won't make a difference. Pay the balance with your debit card, and then you'll get back, I think, $6 of Walgreens cash, 5 for the promotion, and then an extra 5% for buying Walgreens brand products. And I'll show you that. But as you see on these register reward, it says manufacturer coupon, thus you can use it. The store coupon or Walgreens cash, don't use it with the spend 20, get back 5, or you'll get nothing back. So again, we're doing this deal in store because it's involving scanning of boosters and register rewards. So 5 of these paper products on a buy one, get one 50% off is exactly $20. Get the cashier to scan your paper booster of 5 back when you spend 20 on Walgreens brand products. And then make sure at least 2 of those products are scanned so 2 register rewards can go through. So my $8 came off 2 of my Garnier manufacturer register rewards. So I paid $12 with my debit card, debit, credit, cash, whatever you might have. And then I got back 6, and I'm going to show you that here in a second. And it's 5 for the booster and an extra $1 for that 5% back when you buy Walgreens brand products. That's been going on forever. So it shakes it out to $1.20 each. Alternatively, if you're like, well, spending $8 in register rewards isn't really blah, blah, blah. If you want to do it without it, it'll be $3 each. You're going to just pay the 20, get back 6. So that is 14. So it makes it, oh, pardon me, $2.80 per. So, whichever way you want to do it, you got to use your register rewards. I think this is a neat and tidy, smart deal. I only tried with 2 register rewards, but it's still balanced for me. And, we go through so many paper towels in this household with elderly cats. So this was definitely a no-brainer for me. And again, my booster was expiring on the 15th. So you might want to check the dates on yours and do this deal ASAP. Also, these have been found online for $4.49. These Shea Moisture clarifying facial wipes. We have a $3 digital that is in fact attaching, dropping this down to $1.49. So, I mean, I actually found these in-store tagged yesterday, so you might want to look at your Walgreens if you're going to do that paper deal, to also maybe look for these, because $1.49 is really fantastic, and I was able to find one of them, and I was so grateful. Like $1.49 for these, I'm all about that. We also have this booster that showed up in your digital coupons folder, I believe yesterday, which was Wednesday the 12th. I found it right at the top of my digital coupons folder, 10 back when you spend 40, and this is for next week, so load it so you can get more deals going next week over at Walgreens. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.